This is the MeTV Network, seen locally on WBIR's MeTV Knoxville. MeTV is memorable entertainment television.
I've got a feeling, Fred, that Wilma and Betty aren't going to be too sympathetic toward our cause.
Why would they object to a little innocent fun like bowling? Besides, it's the playoff game between Slate Rock Quarry and our rivals, the Dobie Mixers. We can't miss this match.
I fully agree, Fred, but the girls are going to turn a deaf ear. Remember, it's Friday, the one night they expect us to take them out to dinner.
Okay, you made your point. Now try to be a little more constructive. Think of an angle. I got it, Bernie! I got the solution. Barney boy, I got it. I'll talk to Betty for you, and you talk to Wilma for me.
Swell. Now, what do we talk about?
We talk about the big pin and ball meeting at the lodge tonight.
And what is the pin and ball?
Has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas: Canton, High, Claremont, and High. To take 9 a.m. on November 20th, 2023, effective for notice. Message from iPodcast. This is an attack warning. Repeat. This is an attack warning. An attack warning means that a national attack toward this country has been detected and protective precautions should be taken immediately. Approximately 25 ballistic missiles believed to carry nuclear warheads has been detected by the North American Aerospace Defense and originating from Russia. A nuclear weapon is a device that uses a nuclear reaction to create an explosion. The following 5 minutes will go with the nuclear explosion as follows. First, a red flash will immediately follow the explosion and within it will cause temporary blindness. Secondly, a mushroom cloud will be made at the center of the explosion and will spread radiation over a few hundred radius. Thirdly, a loud boom will follow the blast and can cause temporary loss of hearing. Finally, electromagnetic waves can destroy devices and leave power and internet out for a few months. These missiles are landing at Birmingham, Alabama, Little Rock, Arkansas, Los Angeles, California, DeKalb, Connecticut, Jacksonville, and Miami, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Boise, Idaho, Louisville, Kentucky, Trenton, New Jersey, Albuquerque, and Roswell, New Mexico, Cleveland and Cincinnati, Ohio, Portland and Salem, Oregon, Providence, Rhode Island, Salt Lake City, Utah, Seattle, Washington, Charleston, West Virginia, and finally Roanoke, Virginia Beach, and Alexandria, Virginia. Take cover now. Get anybody inside. Gather supplies for a few months and get into a fallout shelter. If you do not have a fallout shelter, leave a sheet of paper on your door and you will be transported to the nearest fallout shelter. If you have a fallout shelter and contact a National Guard, you will be arrested for wasting time. Bring your identification or social security card, medication, and preferably bring a hand crank weather or alert radio if you are planning to go into a fallout shelter. If you are planning to stay at home, cover any opening to the outside door with a damp cloth, including doors and windows. Then go into your basement and wait out the nuclear fallout. Leave a colored sheet of paper if you are staying. If you start to hear an air raid siren blaring, you are urged to take shelter immediately. An all clear will be issued with this alert.
They love how it helps them walk on any surface. And they love how it stands on its own. They love how it folds and unfolds in seconds.
I love my Hurricane.
Order your Hurricane at our legendary low price with a 100% money-back guarantee plus free shipping. Go to hurricane.com. That's hurricane.com. Also available at Walmart.
So then I said to him, you ought to customize your car insurance with Liberty Mutual, so you only pay for what you need.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message or statement.
Please stand by for text-to-speech representative of the President. Please stand by.
at 8:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 23, 2023, an attack warning was issued across the United States. This attack warning stated how much ballistic missiles were detected, where they originated from, and where these ballistic missiles would target, and the time arrival of these missiles, although some of these stations didn't say the time arrival of these missiles due to an ENDAC glitch. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we also could think that this alert is a hoax. If this is an accidental hoax, like the 2018 Hawaii missile scare, caused from human error, we will not arrest the person unless it was done intentionally. If we send an all clear from December 7th to January 7th, then we noticed no missile attacks, but if it comes earlier than that date, it means that we found a culprit or asked if there were no missiles detected. If we send an all clear, then we detect a missile targeting our country. It's like when we don't send an all clear, but if we detect a missile, then an emergency action notification will be issued. An all clear is usually an emergency action termination. Stay in your fallout shelters until an all clear is issued. An all clear is when a siren has a long, steady tone. An attack signal is shorter variation of the wail tone. The tone is shorter and less steady than the alert or all clear tone. Wait until you hear an all clear siren or a National Guard leaving a slip of paper under your door. If you notice these, then it's an all clear. If there's no siren blaring, a National Guard knocking at your door, or there's no slip of paper under your door, stay in your fallout shelters until a real all clear is issued.
Get the First American Home Warranty Plan. And when a breaks, call or click. That's it. And we'll replace it. Plan for air conditioning, most appliances, plus heating, plus electrical systems, and much more.
To eat 5 homeless people because I thought they were watermelons. To eat 5 homeless people because I thought they were watermelons.
Over $140 million. Don't wait until it's too late. You're stuck with a huge repair bill.
If you don't have First American Warranty, get it.
Call 1-800-906-7515 or visit protectmybudget.com for a free, no-obligation quote. That's 1-800-906-7515.
What is this? It looks scary.
Oh my god, one crime, average 6-year-old kid. Oh my god, one crime, average 6-year-old kid. Oh my god, one crime, average 6-year-old kid. Oh my god, one crime, average 6-year-old kid.
Gee.
This is an all-clear alert. We found a perpetrator responsible for the false activation on November 23, 2023. The perpetrator's name is Dylan Adred from Alabama. He is a 29-year-old network man child and did this because he wanted to get back at his ex-girlfriend leaving him. You can now get out of your shelters.